Hi fellow crocheters, it's Janet with CrochetPatternsForBeginners.com. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today we're going to learn how to do the back post, front post double crochet. So let's get started. You'll just need your favorite hook, any size will do, this is just a practice swatch, and some yarn. Today I am using an H 5mm hook with a worsted weight number 4 yarn. Okay, go ahead and chain 13 and then do 12 single crochet for our foundation. And when you've got that, after pausing the video, just meet me back here and we'll continue on. Okay, go ahead, you're at the end of your row with your single crochet and chain 3. And now we're just going to do a regular double crochet row, and you should already know how to do this. If not, just go ahead and look through our video library on howtocrochetvideos.com and hit the search for double crochet and you'll find it right there. So we're just going to double crochet across. I don't know why the first one is always so whatever, but after that it just seems to get easier. The first row, have you ever noticed that? I got my yarn tangled there, sorry. Okay, we've just double crocheted across our 12 stitches and now we're going to chain 3 and turn. Alright, now this stitch is used mostly for borders. It actually makes a really nice border for hats or just on the end of on the edge of a sweater, hemline of a sweater, sleeves, whatever. So, and obviously you can make it tighter by using a smaller hook and a finer yarn. Alright, we're going to yarn over just like we normally do for our double crochet. Then we're going to start with a back post double crochet. We're going to go back, front, back, front, back, front. Alright, so we yarn over, insert our hook in behind the posts. These are the posts right here. Okay, so yarn over and insert our hook in behind the post and just do a regular double crochet. And don't worry, we're going to do a whole row of these together, so it'll be fine. Okay, now yarn over and into that next space. Instead of going to the back, go to the front and push the post to the back. Then double crochet. Okay, yarn over. Now we're going to do a back post where we insert the hook into that space, pull the post forward, and double crochet. Yarn over into the next space, get our post, pull it back, and front post double crochet. Now if it seems odd that we're going the opposite direction with our post, then we know it's right. So in other words, a back post actually pulls the post forward and a front post actually pulls the post backwards. So it's kind of weird when you think about it like that, but if you're getting it, then you know you're doing it right. Okay, so that was a front post, so we're back to the back post, inserting our hook in behind the post and pulling it forward. Now we're going to do a front post, inserting the hook into the front of the post and pulling it back. And I messed that one up totally. Okay. And there we go. Okay, yarn over, insert your hook to the back, double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in the front. And that's all it is. It's just a really simple stitch, but once you get it going, it really does make a nice ribbing. And if you do it with a smaller hook than your project, you'll find that it really just brings everything all together, and it looks very professional. Okay, we're on our last one here. Oops. It's our front post. And just regular double crochet. I'm a bumble fingers today, I guess. Then usually, and not in all cases, the pattern will tell you, but a lot of times you just have to do a double crochet into the top of the turning chain of the previous row. Okay, you just learned how to back post, front post, double crochet. Happy hooking!